crispy fried chicken, fluffy golden waffles, and sweet maple syrup. Let's make this delicious American classic.
Start by marinating your chicken in buttermilk, salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. Let it soak up all those delicious flavors. Next, coat each piece thoroughly in seasoned flour until the chicken is completely covered. For the waffles, combine flour, baking powder, a little sugar, eggs, milk, and melted butter. Pour the batter into a hot waffle maker and cook until golden and fluffy.
Fry the chicken until crispy, golden brown, and fully cooked. Then place it on a rack or paper towel to drain. Now comes the best part. Stack your warm waffles and place the crispy chicken right on top. Finish with a generous drizzle of warm maple syrup and a little butter. Crispy, juicy, sweet, and absolutely delicious. This homemade chicken and waffles is perfect for breakfast, brunch, or any special meal. Would you try this?